Assalamu alaikum. Hello to my all fellows. Today we will study drugs affecting on thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a vital hormone gland. It plays a major role in the metabolism, growth, and the development of the human body. It helps to regulate many body functions by constantly releasing a steady hormone of thyroid hormones in the bloodstream. If the body needs more energy in certain situations, for instance, if it is growing or cold or during pregnancy, the thyroid gland produces more hormones. This organ medical term, glandula thyroidea, is found in the front of the neck under the voice box. It is butterfly shaped. The two side lobes lie against and around the windpipe, trachea, and are connected at the front by a narrow strip of tissue. The thyroid weighs between 20 to 60 grams on average. Uh, it means it can weigh between 20 to 60 grams. It is surrounded by two fibrous capsules. The outer capsule is connected to the voice box muscles and many important vessels and nerves. There is loose connective tissue between inner and outer capsules, so thyroid can move and change its position when we swallow. So this is the picture of thyroid gland. You can see it's the larynx, and uh, this is the left thyroid gland, and this is the right thyroid gland. It's it has two sides. The thyroid gland has two sides. So reading it, like the thyroid tissue itself consists a lot of small individual lobules that are enclosed in thin layers of connective tissue. These globules contain a great number of small vesicle sacs. These are called follicles, which store more thyroid hormones in the form of little droplets. So this is the microscopic picture. We can see the thyroid follicle. You can see this, and cross section of small thyroid vessels, thyroid cells. This is the microscopic picture. Here we can see different things about the positioning of thyroid gland, and we can also see hormones like triiodothyronine T3 and thyroxine T4, calcitonin, adrenaline, cortisol, aldosterone, DHEA, cortisol, estrogen, progesterone, anti-Mullerian hormone. This is the pineal gland, a small gland near the center of the brain of melatonin. The sodium iodide contrasporter. You see, this is the colloid. Should be located inside it. It is not visible here, but it is located inside it. These are the thyroid cells which we saw before. T3 and T4 are the formulas. T3 is for triiodothyronine and T4 is for thyroxine. Here we can see some chemistry for the thyroid gland. Here are some chains, and this is their variation. This is for, I think, T3, and this is for T4, tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine. This is the chain reaction for T4, and this is the chain reaction for T3. The thyroid hormone regulates the body metabolic rate, controlling heart muscle and digestive functions, brain development, and bone maintenance. Its correct functioning depends on a good supply of iodine from the diet. It is the main function which is written over here about thyroid gland, and this is the right side. This is the clear picture of thyroid gland. Okay, so moving next, this is the goiter. You have probably seen some people who have this problem. This is a medical situation. So what is goiter? Goiter is an enlarged thyroid gland due to any cause. It is called goiter. For the gland to be palpable, it must be at least 40 kg. Here, 40 kg is a lot for one person to be, hold in the neck. So if it's 40 kg, then the gland will be palpable. Second point, a patient with goiter may be euthyroid, hyperthyroid, hypothyroid. Hypothyroidism, also called underactive thyroid, low thyroid, or hypothyreosis, is a disorder of endocrine system in which the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormone. The symptoms are written over here for hypothyroidism. First one is tiredness. A person feels, tired all the time. Second, he feels sensitivity to cold. Constipation, depression, slow movement and thoughts, muscle aches and weakness, muscle cramps. Standard treatments for hypothyroidism involves daily use of the synthetic thyroid hormone levothyroxine. This is oral medication restores adequate hormone levothyroxine. So the medication restores adequate hormone levels, reversing the signs and symptoms of hypothyroidism. Cretinism. So cretinism is also a situation. It is congenital hypothyroidism, underactivity of the thyroid gland at birth, which results in growth retardation, development delay, and other abnormal features. Cretinism can be due to deficiency of iodine in the mother's diet during pregnancy. If a lady who is pregnant and she is taking care of her diet, like she is taking proper iodine through different things she eats, then there are very, very low chances that she will see this problem. This is hyperthyroidism. Overactive thyroid occurs when the thyroid gland produces too much of the hormone thyroxine. Hyperthyroidism can accelerate body's metabolism, causing unintentional weight loss and a rapid or irregular heartbeat. Several treatments are available for hyperthyroidism. Here, these are the symptoms which are listed over here. First one is nervousness, anxiety, irritability. Second, mood swings. A person will have different mood swings at any time. Those are unpredictable. Difficulty sleeping, persistent tiredness and weakness, sensitivity to heat, swelling in the neck from an enlarged thyroid gland goiter. He or she will also have a goiter. An irregular and unusually fast heart rate, twitching, trembling. Graves' disease is an immune system disorder that results the overproduction of thyroid hormone, hypothyroidism. Although a number of disorders may result in hyperthyroidism, Graves' disease is a common cause. Anti-thyroperoxidase antibody. Standard treatment for Hashimoto's disease is levothyroxine, the synthetic form of thyroxine T4. However, extracts are available that contain thyroid hormone derived from the thyroid glands of pigs. These products are more thyroid, for example, contain both levothyroxine and triiodothyronine, T3 it is called. So this is, this is the picture for Hashimoto's thyroiditis. These are some medication for the thyroid problem. The first one's name is potassium iodide. Iodomarine it is called. It's the most rapid effect at pharmacological doses of KI. It is to decrease thyroglobulin proteolysis, thereby decreasing thyroid hormone secretion. The resulting slight reduction of T3 and T4 concentration serum causes transient increase of thyroid protein TSH concentrations in serum and 100 to 200 mcg each tablet. So it's the dosage quantity. Common side effects of potassium iodide include allergic reactions, skin rashes such as hives, swelling various parts of the body such as face, lips, tongue, throat, hand or feet, fever with joint pain, troubling breathing, speaking, swallowing, wheezing or shortness of breath. Second one is levothyroxine. Brands, these are the brand names who are giving this medicine: Levoxil, Synthroid, Unithroid. Levothyroxine oral tablet is used to treat hypothyroidism. It is also used to treat goiter and certain types of thyroid cancer. Levothyroxine comes in three forms: an oral tablet, an oral capsule, and an injectable solution. These are the doses for from 25 mcg to 300 mcg, depending on the person and depending on the situation. So 100 mcg per 5 ml is the parenteral doses. Half-life is 6 to 7 days. The more common side effects of levothyroxine can include increased appetite, weight loss, hair sensitivity, excessive sweating, headache, hyperactivity, nervousness, anxiety. Third one and the fourth one. Antithyroid agents inhibit synthesis of thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. Methimazole, Northix, Teprazole, propylthiouracil, propylthyracil. Mechanism of action: methimazole and propylthiouracil inhibits the production of the new thyroid hormone in the thyroid gland. It acts by inhibiting the enzyme thyroid peroxidase, which usually functions to convert iodide to iodine molecules and incorporate the iodine molecule into amino tyrosine. Tablet 5 mg to 10 mg for methimazole and tablet is 50 mg for propylthiouracil. These are the half-lives: 5 to 6 hours for the methimazole and propylthiouracil is 1 to 2 hours. These are the common side effects: nausea, vomiting, upset stomach, headache, dizziness, muscle joint pain, hair loss, etc. This is the proper description for the thyroid problem, Idomarin. Thank you everyone for listening. Allah Hafiz.